not jumping. We're not jumping. Gotta catch.
Woo!
Oh. I'm not jumping.
No?
He wants to go and jump right into this waterfall pond, but we have no clue how deep it is. Do you see what I deal with? We're not jumping.
We're gonna jump.
You're gonna jump. So we're going to the second waterfall.
Yep.
Because one just isn't enough, right, babe?
No, I gotta catch him up.
Gotta catch.
Woo!
Oh. Little bumpy road here.
I know it's safe for you to come on.
No, I think you should go alone.
Okay, Shamba. Bye-bye.
No, wait for me. Help, guys, I'm stranded. He's left without me. Do you like my little chin pad?
Ready?
I think I just spotted a jackfruit tree.
Yeah, that's definitely jackfruit.
Mistake. Shit.
You want me to take control? It's way too hard. 1, 2, 3. It's too hard.
They're looking at us like, what the hell are they doing? No.
It's not good.
Bye-bye. Gross. We're at the waterfall, and if you look up at the sky, look at the wind, there's probably a torrential rain coming up, and actually we feel a bit of drop, so we need to hurry and get all the way down as fast as we can, otherwise it's going to be a very fun wet party. So let's go.
A few moments later.
So you just have massages?
Pretty much the best massage I've ever had in my entire life. You?
Yeah.
It was so good at this place right here, right next to the entrance to the beach.
Oh, it's for babies, huh?
Thank
Thank you so much.
Are you sure it's beer?
It's more like a Smirnoff Ice, you know, refreshing.
Peach flavored alcoholic beverage, right?
Very refreshing.
So where are we?
We are at the pier in Kohsamui. We are going now to Kopanya.
What did you think of Kohsamui?
It was fun. We didn't get the most amazing weather, but we had some waterfalls. I always love waterfalls, and yeah.
I think it was good too. I'm sort of glad though that we only stayed for 2 nights because it was more of like a dead island.
Yeah.
Not much going on. But yeah. So we'll catch ya in Kopanya.